Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
20 years. Q. How long does a retractable awning last? The frame part of a retractable awning can last over 20 years, as long as it is taken care of, while the fabric, being more sensitive to inclement weather conditions, should be replaced every 10 years.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
They are typically made of metal, plus canvas, and have many moving parts. As a result, this drives up their price immensely in both the installation and purchasing departments. Some awnings can also have acrylic or vinyl shades. You will most likely need to hire a professional to install them.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Retractable awnings will provide shade and protection from UV rays. Some will even act as rain awnings too. However, most awnings that retract won't stand up to heavy or torrential rains or snow loads.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
We do offer installation services for certain patio shades and covers through our Home Services division. You may reach them by calling 1-800 Home Depot, 1-800-466-3337. However, the roll-up type shades we sell in the stores are typically a DIY project, and we do not offer installation of those.
Take our lead.
New fabric for your Sunsetter awning. We custom make new replacement covers to fit the Sunsetter brand awnings. The covers are sewn and ready to be installed and come complete with a new valance. We use acrylic Solar Pro and Sunbrella fabrics, and both come with a 10-year warranty.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Sunsetter awnings are a good choice for those shopping for an awning. The company offers multiple models, varying widths, and a wide selection of fabric colors to fit any customer's needs. Customers have the freedom to buy awnings directly from the company or work with a local dealer. 5 days ago.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Inclement weather and your retractable awnings. Well, at least the heavy rain. During heavy or wind-driven rainstorms, make sure your awning is retracted to keep small puddles of rain from forming on top of the fabric, preventing future damage from stretching or staining.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.